Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. S approach to number 1 on the left. So we have s minus number 1 in here. We know that number 1 on the left, that means the value of s is smaller than number 1. So when we put number 1 in here, this one we will have about negative s minus number 1 in here. Now, we need to simplify s minus 1. And now we just put number 1 in here, and we have negative of the square root number 2 multiplied by number 1 over number 1, and we have negative of the square root of number the negative with the square root of number 2, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.